Good morning, class 9th. Welcome to math class. We have started chapter 6, lines and angle. 6.1 we have done. Today I am going to explain exercise 6.2. Chapter 6, lines and angle, exercise 6.2. So in exercise 6.2 I am going to explain about corresponding angles, alternate angles and vertically opposite angle, and about parallel lines and transversal. Parallel lines and transversal. Parallel lines are two straight lines which never intersect each other. Here L and M, two parallel lines are given and one transversal is given L. L parallel M is given and N is a transversal line on two parallel lines L and M. Here I have mentioned here, this is angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So angle 1 equal to angle 3, angle 2 equal to angle 4, angle 5 equal to angle 7, angle 6 equal to angle 8. These are vertically opposite angle. And angle 3 equal to angle 5, angle 4 equal to angle 6. These are alternate interior angles. And angle 1 equal to angle 7, angle 2 equal to angle 8. These are alternate exterior angle. And if lines are parallel, then angle 4 plus angle 5, addition of these two angles, angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree, angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree, angle 3 plus angle 6 equal to 180 degree. And reason is sum of co-interior angles is 180 degree. Two lines are said to be parallel if their corresponding angles are equal and if alternate angles are equal and sum of the co-interior angles are 180 degree. These are the conditions of two parallel lines. Now I am going to explain one question. Figure is given. Two parallel lines are given, PQ parallel RS, and we have to find angle XMY. Two angles are given here. This angle is 135. This is 40 degree. So these two lines are given. By construction I have taken here one more line AB which is parallel to PQ and RS. PQ parallel RS it is given, and I have taken one more line AB which are parallel to both the lines PQ and RS. PQ parallel RS parallel AB. This is by construction. Now these two lines are parallel, PQ parallel AB. So addition of these two angle 1 plus 135 equal to 180 degree. And what is the reason? Sum of co-interior angle. Sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree. So angle 1 plus 135 equal to 180 degree. Reason is co-interior angles. So angle 1 equal to 180 minus 135 degree. Angle 1 equal to 45 degree. Now angle 2 we have to find angle 2. RS parallel AB, and these two angles are equal. Why? What's the reason? Alternate interior angles. So angle 2 equal to 40 degree by alternate interior angles. Angle 2 equal to 40 degree, alternate interior angle. But we have to find this complete angle XMY. In this complete angles there are two angles, that is angle 1 and angle 2. So angle XMY equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle 1, angle 2 we have already find. Angle XMY equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Angle XMY equal to value of angle 1 is 45, value of angle 2 is 40. So XMY, angle XMY equal to 85 degree. This is the answer. One more figure is given. AB parallel CD, and this line is transversal. This angle is 50 degree. This is X, this is Y, and this is 130 degree. We have to find here value of X and Y. AB parallel CD is given. So very simple. Y equal to 130 degree. Y equal to 130 degree by vertically opposite angle. These two angles are equal by vertically opposite angle. And because these two lines are parallel, X equal to Y. x equal to y by alternate interior angle. Y we have already find 130 degree, so x equal to 130 degree. So these are the method you have to try exercise 6.2. Thank you so much.